Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys Kitchen. Today we are going to make healthy almond strawberry smoothie. Try this delicious smoothie. Really don't need to add any kind of sweetener. It's already sweety. Let's move to the video. In a juicer, take 3/4 cup of milk. Then add half cup of strawberries cut into small pieces. Also add 12 to 15 almonds soaked for an hour. Also add 1 banana, half teaspoon chia seeds. Juice it nicely like this. Pour into a serving glass.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Add 2 to 3 chopped almond. Also add slices of banana on top of it for garnishing. Our strawberry almond smoothie is ready. If you love almond and strawberry, just give it a try. You need only 5 minutes to make this delicious strawberry almond smoothie.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.